All right, so we're just buttoning up the last details of Allie's Jeep suspension install. So we got all the JKS suspension on here. This has the disengageable sway bar, so you can pull the pin, hook it up to here. These are the FOX factory series internal bypass shocks. So you can see the reservoir routing there. So the reservoir is mounted up under there. This is the J-links on the bottom here on the JKS suspension. So we got these heavy duty lower arms which adjust the caster. Down in the future we'll be adding some FOX air bumps and a steering stabilizer on here as well. That's going to be coming phase 2, along with the upper control arms that we'll put on there when those are in stock. So for now we got that going on the front, and for the rear, same shocks on the back. Got all the suspension installed and we're good to go. And we already have Method race wheels with General tires that'll be mounted back on there.